ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 63, ஸ்லோகா 7. அஹஹ தார்ஷ்ட்யம் அமுஷ்யவட்டோः கிரிம் व्यथितबाहुः असौ अवरोपयेत् इति हरिः त्वयि बद्धविगर्हणो दिवससप्तकम् उग्रमवर्षयत्. Word by word meaning. Ahaha, O Amushya, of this, Vatoho, little boy, Dashtyam, the arrogance, Vyathita Bahuhu, Vyathita, pained, when his hand begins to pain, Girim, the mountain, Avaropayet, he will put down, Iti, thus, Twayi, towards thee, Baddha Vigarhanaha, Vigarhana, a contempt, full of contempt, Harihi, Indra, Divasa Saptakam, for 7 days, Ugram, fiercely, Avarshayat, rained. Full meaning. Indra poured down rain fiercely for 7 days, saying with contempt for thee, oh, the arrogance of this little boy. When his hand begins to pain, he will put the mountain down. Om Tat Sat.